Hello again. Plenty going on with the weather over the next few days. Chopping and changing. There's warnings in force for Saturday. More on that in a moment, because for the rest of Friday, it's a fine day out there. Generally dry and bright with some sunshine, but the wet weather is on the way, pushing into the northwest through this evening. And once it's arrived, it will last well into Saturday. Coming from this area of cloud on the satellite picture, chugging towards us. Ahead of it, we do have a window. There are one or two light showers through the course of the morning, but they are now fading out. And so, as I said, by and large, it's a fine afternoon. We'll see sunny spells across much of the UK. Sunshine turning hazy, though, in the west, and the breeze picking up here as well ahead of that band of rain. Temperatures rising slowly but surely. It was a chilly start this morning. By the afternoon, up to around about average for the time of year, but some parts of northeast Scotland struggling to get much above freezing. Temperatures here, though, will rise through the evening as the breeze picks up and the rain sets in, particularly in western Scotland, where it's going to be heavy, and for parts of Northern Ireland also. Further south, it generally stays dry and with some clearer skies across East Anglia and the southeast. Decent chance of seeing the lunar eclipse this evening, but also it will be turning quite cold here with the clearer skies. But again, here, after a chilly evening, temperature will be rising as we go towards dawn. That wet weather, as I said, once it's set in, will linger through the night across western Scotland. Heavy, especially over hills and mountains. A wet night for Northern Ireland. Some showery rain for Cumbria, North Wales, but the bulk of England and Wales will be dry. More cloud than last night. The breeze will be picking up, and so, as I said, by morning time, we are generally well above freezing. In fact, some places starting off in double digits. So it's a mild start, but a very soggy start in western Scotland, and the winds continuing to strengthen. They're going to be really quite gusty winds as well. So we are a little concerned. There are yellow warnings in force for those winds over North Wales, parts of northeast England and southeast Scotland. It's the gusty nature of those winds in these areas, 50, 60, possibly on hills 70 miles an hour, that could cause some disruption. Certainly the A1 high-sided vehicles, that's not going to be a great time for travelling during Saturday. Further west, it's the rain, but also into the borders. The rain could cause some issues as it builds up through the night and during Saturday morning. We're looking at 60, 80, possibly 100 millimetres of rain on some hills. So again, that could cause some issues, some disruption to transport and maybe some local flooding. So there's that wet weather slowly edging away from northern Scotland during the day, pushing gradually into parts of northwest England, north and west Wales. But a good chunk of England and Wales will just have a dry day on Saturday. Fairly cloudy skies, cloudier certainly than Friday. Some breaks in the cloud across East Anglia. As I said, it will brighten up across the far northwest. And Northern Ireland looks like it should turn a bit drier during the afternoon also. Temperature-wise, well, actually quite mild. We start in double figures, and some places could get up to 11, 12 degrees, maybe even into the teens in one or two spots. However, it won't feel all that mild because of the wind and the rain, which continues to track southwards on Saturday evening across northern England, into the Midlands, across South Wales during Saturday night, and into southwest England also. Further north, clearer skies and colder air. So the showers start to turn a little wintry in the far northwest. This line of rain is a cold front, which will take the rain further south on Saturday night and could still be around for a time across the southeast on Sunday morning. But it's a cold front, so it will be introducing colder air for Sunday as well. And it will introduce a few showers, which with the colder air will be falling to sleet and snow across parts of Scotland. But for most places, Sunday is just a bright and breezy day with something of a chillier feel. As I said, there is a lot going on. Keep up to date with the weather warnings. Best way to do that is to follow us on social media.